Hello and welcome to the special segment called as MC Pro Select Stock of the Day. I'm your host Nikki Michandani, and in this segment, we bring to you fundamentally strong investment stock ideas. Well, stock of the day today is AMI Organics. A bit about this company, why this pharma intermediate company cannot be ignored. Well, let's understand about this company. It's a pharma intermediates company with nearly 60% exposure to exports. Operates from plants at Surat, Ankleshwar and Jhagadia. 86% of the revenue comes from pharma space and rest comes from chemicals. Let's talk about the recent outperformance of the stock. Recently, the stock has moved more than 40% from the March 2023 lows, driven by strong Q4 results, sequential improvement in the operating margins profile of the company. Now, why we remain positive on the business performance of the company? The first reason is the beneficiary of Europe +1 trend. European companies outsourcing high level of intermediates from India recently expanded scope of engagement with innovator Fermion. Now, AMI Organics has struck a multi-year contract with Fermion for multiple intermediates. Massive expansion underway for pharma intermediate capacity. Rupees 200 crore of capex has been planned to help 2x expansion from advanced intermediates. Facility is expected to commence from Q4 of this financial year and is expected to take care for the next 2-3 years of demand. Operating leverage is too expected to kick in for the chemical business. Now, the chemical segment posted suboptimal 11% EBITDA margin in the quarter FY23. With capacity utilization of 35%, there is a substantial scope for operating leverage. Now, commercialization of new products also is expected to drive FY24 top line. Near-term concerns to an extent that need to be watched out for. First is the China dumping in India, which could lead to weak pricing for chemical players. And talk about the valuation. The valuation too is supported by higher growth phase. Stock currently trades at a valuation of 23 times its 1-year forward EV to EBITDA. The stock enjoys premium due to the superior execution profile and is likely to mimic strong earning momentum going forward too. Now, MC Pro expects more than 20% earning growth in medium term, and near-term triggers which are working or expected to provide growth for the company. The first one is the traction in electrolytes additives business, benefits from China +1 trend, and the global clients at this point of time, they've been engaging with battery material suppliers outside of China. Apart from that, rollout of new product launches too. Developing application for paints, polymers, and the electronic industry is also a thing that needs to be watched out for. Well, with this, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in.